Flotation workshop. The differential flotation technological process is used for a flotation workshop. Lead antimony bulk flotation adopts process of one roughing, tri-scavenging, and tri-concentrating. The overflows from hydrocyclone of grinding workshop flows into agitation tank automatically for agitation with agent, then into XHF-BSF flotation cell unit for rough scavenging. The roughing concentrate flows into SF flotation cell for concentrating. Zinc sulfur bulk flotation adopts process of one roughing, double scavenging, and tri-concentrating. The slurry flows into XHF and BSF flotation cell unit for rough scavenging firstly, and then the roughing concentrate flows into SF flotation cell for concentrating. Besides, the flotation cell is also equipped with agent preparation room and agent warehouse. Concentrate